Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yellowfin tuna steak. First, select fresh, high-quality tuna, ideally about 1 inch thick. Patting the steaks thoroughly dry with paper towels is crucial for achieving that perfect crust. Then, season both sides generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other desired spices. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Next, heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place the tuna steaks in the hot pan. Sear each side for 1 to 2 minutes for a beautiful, rare to medium-rare interior. This quick sear locks in the flavor and creates a fantastic crust. For optimal flavor and texture, yellowfin tuna is best enjoyed rare to medium rare, showcasing a vibrant, cool pink center. An internal temperature of around 125 degrees Fahrenheit indicates a perfect medium rare. It's vital to remove the tuna from the heat promptly, as it continues to cook slightly after leaving the pan. Overcooking can quickly lead to dry, tough tuna. Once cooked, allow your tuna steaks to rest for a few minutes before slicing them against the grain. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful bite. Garnish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of bright lemon juice, or a drizzle of high-quality olive oil. Serve your perfectly seared tuna with a crisp salad, roasted vegetables, or a fluffy rice pilaf for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.